This was purchased for what?
392,000.
392,000. And what did they value it at?
790,000.
Now this enables us to take the money out of the deal. So what's the gross rent on it now?
198,000. You just scan your phone on it and it lets you into the door. Yeah. So all that's going to be.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Show us the action as well. Come on, yeah, do it
like
like
that. And then it lets you into the door.
Just go like that. Just go like that, and then you get it in. Hey, this is one we made earlier. So let's show you now the finished article of what you just seen before. So back here with Steve. Steve's the head of construction for Real Life Creative Construction. He managed this project all the way throughout. And by the way, this was purchased for what?
392,000.
392,000, and today was valuation day. And what did they value it at?
790,000.
790,000. So if you don't so now this enables us to take the money out of the deal. So if you don't know that, go to the YouTube channel, subscribe, go search the other videos of money in, money out, and it'll show you how to do that. But if you do know what we're talking about, you know that's already an awesome deal. So what's the gross rent on the new strategy here, which is 8 apartments? Because this, by the way, this changed halfway through. Yeah, when you're managing a project on time, on budget, very strategically, and you can switch halfway, I mean, that's got to be good, right?
Definitely,
yeah.
yes.
So what's the gross rent on it now?
198,000.
That's awesome, because what was once going to be just like an apartment on the side of some other HMO studio type rooms, now we've got like a semi-detached house, 1-bed house on the end, which is worth how much by itself?
220,000.
220. It just goes to show when you find deals in the right areas. And by the way, if you want to find that, there's find deals and know how to do that. You can go and see the links in the description of this video here. But when you find the deals in the right areas and the demand is rife, then this is the kind of things that you can do. So 790. And by the way, this is just one of a buy one get one free.
That's correct,
Well,
yeah.
get one free, but we still got to pay to get it built, which is, this is going to be built again, but over there. So there's going to be 2 here, so it's double the complex. Good or good?
Very good.
Very good. So let's go and have a look at the almost 98% finished article of this. Hey, so this was funny. This was the stud wall that I was standing in front of. You remember we were talking about, how to find deals. So for some of those people that were saying, it's fake! Does it still look fake now? It looks pretty. Really? Oh, it's not even stud anymore.
That's the stud wall.
Oh, that was a stud wall?
That was a stud wall.
This was a brick wall?
Yeah.
Where was I standing? This doorway was always here? No, this wasn't here.
No.
Oh, I had to go around the other way.
You came through that door.
You see, I told you it was fake. We're in the Matrix. Don't even know where I am.
Yeah, you came through the old doorway, which led into the kitchen. This was a toilet. This was where the washing machines were, and then this was a little like kitchenette type thing for when it was the guest house. Guests can come along and make themselves a cup of tea.
Yeah.
So we've opened it all out, put one big kitchen in for this six-bed apartment.
Yeah, very good. And whose idea was all of this?
Between myself and Sean.
Yeah, excellent. I like it, and I like the designs. So not quite finished yet in here. As you can see, there's still tools here, but you get the idea, the vibe that's being created in here. Nice little chill out area, yeah?
Yes, definitely. So there's a TV to go up on the wall, and they can come down here and sit and relax and watch TV on a big 50-inch screen TV.
No, people don't watch TV anymore. They watch these YouTube channels instead. They can watch YouTube. They can watch this YouTube video on that TV. That's what he means. Like,
come lay on the bed with me.
Steady on, steady on. I'll tell you what, again, I like the finish here. Sexy mirror up there, and plenty of light. Obviously, you're going to get some blinds up in here. Don't want people getting too fruity, do we? A good job it's not fire in here, because I won't be able to get out. It really does feel like home. Yeah, I mean, I'm just standing in here, just utilising the space. Yeah, feels like home. Carpets make all of the difference. And if it wasn't for this piece of art, we would not be getting the 198,000 a year for the rent.
Yeah, true.
Very true. So I will have a vegan, but there's nobody there. Wow, this is good. I like this. I like this. I like the style here. You know, did you do this?
Yeah.
These touches make a big difference, but like, let's not take away from how awesome this has been. Sorry, Steve.
Look at that.
let's not take away from how awesome, number one, this location is, so the finding the deal and the demand is absolutely key. But then the configuration of once what was this guest house to now serve 8 different apartments. And how many are going to be built on the back there?
There's going to be 4 42 square metre apartments that are going in, all with a big master bedroom. There's going to be a separate living room, a separate kitchen, and a big bathroom. So we're going to have walk-in showers of a space of 2 meters by 1.5 meters. So you're going to walk into a big rainfall shower, which is going to be actually in the ceiling.
Wow. Put that in the comments if you want to see that project come together. So
we're creating one unit for disabled access, so anyone in a wheelchair or any disabilities that they may have, we can cater for them as well. So it's got a variation in the build, so we can cater for all our guests as well.
So then this is like a hallway which leads through to one of the larger apartments here, yeah?
Yeah, that's correct.
So in the past, some of the properties that we've taken over and done the projects for and, you know, converted ourselves, they actually have rooms like this, even smaller, and they actually rent this out just by itself. So they rent this out just by itself, and there's not really enough room, but you know, the bedroom being here, but come and have a look at what else is provided as part of this. So they've got their own storage for pillows and a beautiful hideaway to come and relax themselves and self-isolate if needed, and even wash some clothes.
Before we made this into a 1-bed apartment or self-contained unit, because it's just shy of being at the class of a 1-bedroom apartment, this was actually where people came and had their breakfast for when they stayed.
So this was one big old room.
So this was one massive room full of old wooden tables and chairs, very dated.
Where did they go?
We've got some still in the garage, but we've actually managed to sell most of the beds, most of the old tables and chairs, and we've used that money to put back into this place.
Wow, good. Recycling, being cost efficient. So is this all full over here? No, this one is full. So this is where we were standing not so long ago with the build team, and as you can see now, all finished, near enough. Just a bit of snagging to do, and this is where we had that problem that we were talking about and how to overcome it. It was all around this beam here. So now the finished article, what we were saying before is, look, anybody could just plaster a box around it, but has it been dealt with properly? Is it proper load bearing? You know, and is it safe? It's a pretty old building, right? And you know, there's some funny old droopy roofs and ceilings here of how it's put together back in the olden days. Yeah, but now that's all cool. Don't expect to do such a high quality project, yeah, and get a good result if your knife stack is not able to do this. And this is super sharp, isn't it, Steve? Tell them what happened with this.
Oh, I lost the end of my finger, look.
Now, if you want no nonsense property deals, then subscribe to this channel and make sure you follow this journey of not just me, but also Steve and the rest of the gang when we embark on all of these different projects, just like this. If you like this, press the like button and subscribe to the channel to make sure that when we post new videos and updates and the second half of building the other thing across there, that you get notified so you don't miss out on the wondrous journey that is this.